Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the manual breast pump and how mothers can use it comfortably and effectively. Many mothers prefer manual pumps because they are simple, lightweight, and easy to control. They are also convenient to carry and can be used almost anywhere. Before starting, it is important to wash your hands and make sure the pump parts are clean and properly assembled. Clean equipment helps maintain hygiene and keeps the milk safe. Next, sit in a comfortable and relaxed position. When your body feels calm, milk flow usually becomes easier. Place the pump gently and make sure it fits comfortably so that it creates a proper seal. Now, begin pumping slowly by pressing the handle gently. With a manual pump, you can control the speed and pressure yourself. Try to keep a steady and natural rhythm instead of pumping too quickly. Sometimes milk may not start flowing immediately, and that is completely normal. Gentle breast massage before pumping can help encourage milk flow. Staying relaxed during the process can also help the body respond more naturally. Manual pumps are also easy to clean and maintain. After pumping, carefully store the milk in a clean container and wash all pump parts so they are ready for the next use. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.